If you have back pain, you need to come see this clinic. You need to come here and listen to what they'll do for you. And they don't force you, they don't push you, they give you the options you need to have. But the staff here is phenomenal. It's world wonderful. You have no idea how compassionate, kind, and caring this whole team is. You deserve it for yourself to do this. You really do.
It is October 12th, 2022, my anniversary with my wife for 20 years. And I'm here seeing my lovely patients like this lady right here who just had surgery yesterday.
You're miraculous.
Oh, thank you very much. Now you suffered with back pain for 20 years.
Yes.
And it went down your left leg.
Yes, it did. And in my lower hip.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you had the Deuk laser disc repair surgery yesterday. And I think you had the Deuk plasma rhizotomy.
Yes, I had both procedures
combined.
done, and you were willing to do them at the same time.
Yep, and it went great.
Yes, it was wonderful.
How do you feel today?
Terrific.
All right.
I'm on cloud 10 and floating high.
I've heard of cloud 9, but cloud 10 must be better. I like that. So the pain you came to us with in your lower back, is it still there?
No, it is not. Nor in my leg, nor down my leg, nor
So
in my
gone.
head. It's totally gone. Yes.
It's wonderful.
It is wonderful. It's terrific.
All right, good. Now, how long have you suffered really with that back pain?
7 years.
So the last 7 years have been pretty bad.
Yes. And the last 3 were excruciating.
So it sort of built over the years to a point where it was intolerable.
Yes, that's why I started seeking options. You get to a point where the pain gets so bad, you can't really function. It hurts you so bad, you just sit in the afternoon and you cry because you don't know how to stop it. It is so agony. You know, and you want to do things for your family. You want to do things for your kids. You want to live a life where you can go and shop and do things without having excruciating pain when you get home because you have to lean on a grocery cart or lean on the counter sink, because I couldn't stand, nor could I walk except for a couple minutes. So yeah, it was horrible.
How did you find out about Deuk Spine Institute?
I've been coming here for many, many years through the clinic area.
The pain management.
Right, and so I had seen a few doctors. I had seen Dr. K, which he advanced and moved on, and he did my, I guess it's like a rhizotomy where he goes in and does the treatment in the spines.
Yes.
And then I also saw Dr. Patel, and he also offered to do hip back injections. And I thought, well, maybe I'll hold off on it because I thought I had the other ones done. And they did good for like 6 to 8 months. They were really, I mean, I had some relief. But the pain in my left leg would never go away, and I couldn't walk. I had to lean, and that's really what bothered me more than anything, is that I couldn't stand or walk right.
And now you had the Deuk laser disc repair. Do you still have that leg pain?
No.
It's gone.
It's miraculous. It really is.
I'm so happy for you. It's wonderful news. So what kind of things are you going to do now that that pain is gone?
First of all, I'm going to recover. And then my husband's going to take me on a trip because we couldn't see my granddaughter married. She was married last Saturday, and I couldn't go because I was in pain. And I knew I couldn't go down that path and everything. So we want to go and have a ceremony with them.
Yeah, that's really one of the unfortunate side effects of having pain, is that you get robbed of the quality of life experiences that normally people would have.
And it's true. Everything you said now is very, very true. You don't enjoy anything. Even if you do go and try to be part of something, your heart's not in it. You don't feel right. And everybody else is running around with you and going here and going there. And I have to wait in the car. I couldn't go in the buildings with them. I couldn't go shopping with them. I couldn't help them pick things that they asked me to do. I couldn't make pasta for them. I make homemade pasta. I couldn't do any of that. And all the things that I wanted to give my family and my friends, I couldn't.
Well, you know I like pasta.
I will make you homemade pasta. I'll be able to stand and do it. I have my own recipe that came from my husband's grandmother who came from Italy. I make my own sauce.
Where in Italy?
Up in Naples.
Wow.
Naples,
Very
Italy.
nice.
She came over in 1900. She spoke no English, and she found a life here, and she lived until she was 99.
Wow.
And she gave me her special recipe, and I will make you pasta.
Well, listen, if you make good pasta, you don't really need to speak English. You just speak the language of food.
Well, she wrote it down, but we had to translate it in English because she wrote it in Italian.
Very good.
I couldn't read it. It was so cute. She had these little things like milligrams and all this. I'm like, what is a milligram? What's a pinch? What's a half a cup? You know?
Understood. You can see your surgery right here. We went in with the laser. We made a small incision, and we cleaned out those damaged discs and got rid of the pain from your herniated disc, degenerated disc. Also, we did the plasma rhizotomy. And you look like a new woman to me.
I am a new woman thanks to you. I came in here looking like a haggard, I don't know what. Everything was sagging, dragging, and pulling along. But you made me stand straight and walk tall.
You got a new lease on life.
I believe I do. And it's all thanks to you.
You're welcome.
You are amazing. I would do anything to let people know how wonderful you are.
I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Is there anything you want to tell your fans out there on YouTube?
If you have back pain, you need to come see this clinic. You need to come here and listen to what they'll do for you. And they don't force you, they don't push you, they give you the options you need to have. But the staff here is phenomenal. It's world wonderful. You have no idea how compassionate, kind, and caring this whole team is. You deserve it for yourself to do this. You really do.
Thank you very much on behalf of everyone here at Deuk Spine Institute. God bless you.
You're my hero. I don't mind telling you that. God bless you.
All right, you take care.
You too. And your wife's anniversary, we've been married 53 years.
20 for us.
That's okay. That's a milestone, and you've got a lot more to go.
Absolutely.
And you're an amazing man. I know you'll do her right.
Thank you very much.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.